Jai Gurudev children. In last class, lesson 4, I taught you, but only one para I taught you. Till harvests. Till here I taught you. Uh, do you remember? Okay, children. Now I will start next para. From here, the little sparrows asked their mother, Mummy, this is children explanation mark. See, do we have to fly away now? This is a question mark. So this is a question type sentence. Okay. The little sparrow asked their mama. जो baby sparrows, they asked from their mother कि मम्मी, do we have to fly away now? क्या उड़ जाना चाहिए अभी हमको? Because they want to fly away from the nest. Mother sparrow replied. बच्चों underline this one. Replied and their. Underline children. Mother sparrow given the answer. Replied means given the answer. Not so soon, babies. No, not hurries. Not hurry. No, babies. The farmer is not ready. Farmer, do you know? Those are doing the work in a field. So who is farmer in this story, children? Mani Ram. The farmer is not ready. Farmer is not ready. Who given the answer? Sparrow's mother. One day they heard Mani Ram saying, Mani Ram is a farmer. So one day they heard. They means like a mother sparrow. Mani Ram saying, I must call my neighbors. बच्चों underline. Heard Mani Ram. I must call my neighbors. So Mani Ram was saying one day for harvesting the crops कि फसल काटने के लिए I will call my neighbors. Do you know neighbors? Those are living nearby. So I will call for my neighbors to cut the crops and make them do the harvest. For which purpose he was calling the neighbors? वो क्यों neighbors को call कर रहा था मनी राम कि वो फसल को काटने के लिए he want to call. The little sparrows became restless. Restless means without taking rest, full day work doing the work. That is called restless. Underline children. The little sparrows became restless and asked. So they became restless and asked, Mummy, shall we fly away tonight? Tonight means today's night means tonight. Again children asked from their mama ki mummy, shall we fly away tonight? Today we will fly. Mother said, no, not so soon babies. No, no need. Abhi nahi. The farmer won't. This is a short form children. This is a, you see, this is will not का short form है won't. How you will read? Won't. The farmer won't make it. It means mother sparrow saying कि अभी farmer जो है मनी राम अभी नहीं काटेगा, अभी फसल नहीं कटेगी इसकी, अभी नहीं कट पाएगी. क्यों? Because he was dependent on neighbors. The words of mother sparrow came true. Really में जो mother sparrow ने बोला that was true. The neighbors did not turn up the next day. जो neighbors थे वो next day नहीं आए. The second time they heard Maniram, underline children second time they heard Maniram saying, I will call my relatives. Now he want to call his relatives. अब मनीराम क्यों बुला रहा है relatives को? To cut the harvest and make them do the harvest. फसल को काटने के लिए now Maniram is calling their relatives children. Underline children relatives. Next page. This time also the young ones eagerly wanted to fly away. Again children, young ones means babies. The babies wanted eagerly. Eagerly means like anyhow we have to fly. Eagerly wanted to fly away. Underline बच्चों, eagerly. They are waiting कि mama today we will fly anyhow. So but mother Sparrow asked them to stay calm. Calm means keep quiet, mama. Always teachers are saying in the class, keep quiet, to stay calm. Stay calm. Now also you have to stay here quietly. Don't be hurry for flying. So mother said no. Now also you stay here. Once again the words of their, again children underline, calm also underline. Mother came true. Again mother was saying that was also true. Because relatives are coming for harvesting the crops. But they also didn't come. Nothing happened. कुछ नहीं हुआ. Underline बच्चों nothing and happened. Both word. Underline. कुछ नहीं हुआ. Because Maniram is dependent on relatives. Now the third time they finally heard. Underline बच्चों finally. Heard Maniram saying. अब last. At last Mother Sparrow heard, सुना. Here Katha's second form heard. This is heard. Maniram saying, क्या कह रहा था Maniram? It's. बच्चों this is a it is. It is. It is का short form है it's. It's getting, underline getting, very late for the harvest. Now Maniram saying कि now we are very late for the harvest. Tomorrow I will do. अब sure, he was sure कि tomorrow I will do it all by myself. Underline बच्चों tomorrow and myself. Now Maniram is ready himself कि he will cut the crops. He will ready to harvest. Okay children. On hearing these words, now Mother Sparrow heard these words. Underline बच्चों. Hearing also. Mother Sparrow said, come my children, it is time for us to leave this field. Now you are ready to leave this field and find a safer. Underline बच्चों field. Underline safer. Find also place. Now you are ready to leave this field and find a safer place. अब अपने लोग रेडी हो जाएं यहाँ से जाने के लिए, सेफ जगह जाने के लिए. The little sparrow were excited. Underline बच्चों excited to fly away. Babies sparrow already they are waiting to fly away. Now they are very happy. Soon they are left the corn field. Now they are left. Left means leave का second form. Left. उन लोगों ने, बेबीज ने, मदर स्पैरो ने उस फील्ड को, उस कॉर्न फील्ड को छोड़ दिया. अब वहाँ से वो लोग चले गए क्योंकि मनीराम रेडी था हार्वेस्ट करने के लिए। मदर स्पैरो वॉज राइट। अंडरलाइन बच्चों, मदर स्पैरो ने सही डिसीजन लिया बिकॉज ही हर्ड कि नाउ मनीराम इज रेडी टू हार्वेस्ट। द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग मनीराम हार्वेस्टेड, अंडरलाइन, हिज crops all by himself. When Maniram was ready to harvest his crops by himself, then Mother Sparrow was decided to fly away from that place. Okay, children, what is moral? It's best to do own work by ourselves. Under this word also underline ourselves. What did you learn from this story? Don't depend on others. Do your own work from yourself. अपना काम बच्चों स्वयं करना चाहिए, कभी दूसरों पे डिपेंड नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर आप दूसरों पे डिपेंड हैं तो इट मीन्स यू आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू लेट। आपका काम हमेशा लेट होगा। जिस प्रकार इन दिस स्टोरी मनीराम पहले नेबर पे डिपेंड था, फिर रिलेटिव पे डिपेंड था, और कब काम हुआ? जब उसने खुद डिसाइड किया कि मुझे क्रॉप्स को हार्वेस्ट करना है। तो दिस इज़ द लेसन कंप्लीटेड। नाउ इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो word meaning and new word and question answer I will teach you. Okay children, so underline these words. These are new words, you learn the spelling. Okay children, thank you.